Hi, this is Manzar Alam. Today's we are discussing about India-US relationship. In this discussion, we will discuss about the convergence and divergence of India-US relation. The transfer of power has ended, and Joe Biden has taken command of US, and of the decision of Trump has been already changed by the Joe Biden. With the change of the power in the US, the ongoing decision about the India-US relation, future of India-US relation, has been given a big statement about the India-US relation. US Press Secretary Jen Psaki said in her statement that President Joe Biden respect the long-standing relationship between the two countries, India and US, and they honor the long-standing successful partnership of the two countries, looking forward to work in this direction in future also. Wednesday, PM Modi congratulated Joe Biden for being sworn in as the president of the US, and said he is committed to working with him and to take India-US partnership to greater height. And as we know, in the past Cold War era, the US and India relationship on defense and strategic issue has been always strength, and we know communication compatibility and security agreement. This is the military agreement that allows for the sharing of encrypted communication, and beside this, US kept India in a privileged category in export, and also in a strategic energy partnership, and India has started importing crude oil LNG from US. There is not only convergence, there is some divergence, and Joe Biden should look into this, India's benefit under a generalized system of preference scheme, which provide duty-free export, and Joe Biden should take India's again in GSP, and some years back Trump terminate India's from GSP scheme. The US relationship very important for the shaping of world order, and India US think about the interest and come forward for the global partnership. uh, Thank you very much for watching this video.